Bye-bye, sunshine. Keeping out for the hawks and frigging kestrels. They did like attacking me. They think I'm a squirrel. I think it's the hare. And that's where all the activity happens, on that hill. I'm not sure if it's there or there. It's trying to work out the angle from the hammock. It's definitely on that hill. There's nowhere else it could be. There is nothing in the line of sight that would generate light. You've got down in the valley, you've got a campsite there in that direction. I think it's in that clump of trees, like kind of there, right in the very bottom of the valley. But it's always empty. Very, very suspect, but it's always empty. There's a few houses dotted around, but nothing that would warrant floodlights so bright they wake me the fuck up. And they do, like midnight, 1 o'clock in the morning, it wakes me up. And I stay awake, for fuck's sake. I don't know, something's definitely happening on that hill. Just every night. Every night you can hear the helicopters coming across town. It's pretty fucking suspicious when it's only at night time you have it. And they try like social media. Oh, it's life goats, lifeboats, lifeguards. It fucking isn't. Yeah, that's weird. I mean, I'd be tempted to go across there, but there's no way to get to it other than going through fields, through evergreen trees, and I fucking hate evergreen trees. Spent 20 years living. Anyway, it would be very, very damaging to me to try it, because you can see from here there's lots of valleys in between getting up there, so it's not like it's just a case of going up. There's no road, there's no trail, there's no footpath, there's no track, and according to the map there's nothing on the other side either. If my leg was better, I would, but you know, fuck it. Alright, sun's gone down. Time to go and crash.